The story of O Rew doesn't start today. It didn't start 10 years ago. It didn't start 20 years ago. It didn't start 100 years ago, and it didn't start 1,000 years ago. It started at time immemorial. This place has been put here for Yurok people to caretake this land. We have a strong connection with it, and we are the original stewards. And today, we welcome this land back to Yurok people. First and foremost, my community, we're home. It's ours again. And that is our obligation, is to return every piece of land back to Yurok ownership and to take care of this place. That is our mandate. I welcome our partners here, and thank you all for coming along on this journey with us. Really want to ground us in where we are. This place, O Rew, as we say, it doesn't have a direct translation because you have a worldview that is told through Yurok language. But what we know about this place is a place that the trails come together. You have Bald Hills, Highway 101, that were traditional trails. You have Prairie Creek and you have Redwood Creek that come together here. Everything connects here. And that's what will continue to happen here. When we started this project, one of the most fundamentally important things for us was to tell the Yurok story through the Yurok perspective. And you can't do that without Yurok language. We worked really closely with our language department. And, I have two folks up on stage here. Brittany Viehill Burbank, who was instrumental in doing so much here in the tech stuff. And then my mom, Barbara McQuillan, who has dedicated her life to Yurok language. And it's always so important to recognize her and the work that she has done over the decades of continuing our Yurok language and making sure it's viable in our schools and it's at the forefront of everything that we do.